period. That's an American term for full stop. How do I know? 19-time world champion. 19 times. One is enough. 19 times. So when I speak it like it is. Not like it should be, like it is. This is the ultimate. There isn't any bigger than me. I'm the best. I'm simply the best. You've heard it for years. I didn't even give myself that name. It was the wife of Barry Hearn. She gave me that name. So this is what it sounds like. Now I've come back. And I'm so happy to be doing this in front of my student, Shah Wasmond. Yeah, she worked for me, I think it was 94 to 96. Is that about right? Yeah, that's right.
And a good day's work today, Shah.
No, what she's getting right now is the respect that she deserves.